సామాజిక సామాజ వర్గమన అని పాడినా, బుట్టబొమ్మ, బుట్టబొమ్మ అని స్టెప్పేసినా అన్నీ మేడం కోసమే కదా సార్. సో, ఎవరైనా కవిత ఒకసారి రాస్తారు, 2 సార్లు రాస్తారు. మహా అయితే బోర్ కొడితే ఒక 10 టైమ్స్ రాస్తారు. కానీ 365 డేస్ ఈ బుట్టబొమ్మ కోసమే అదే లిరిక్ రాస్తానే ఉన్నారు పాపం. అన్నీ మేడం కోసమే కదా! సో, గార్జియస్ పూజా హెగ్డేని స్టేజ్ మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Well, I don't know what to say after all this, but I mean, besides thanking everyone involved, I think that this film has just been, people ask me, it's been a year and it's been such a success, not only in Telugu, but I think across states, it's crossed barriers, boundaries, and proved that subtitles is just like nothing. You can enjoy a film just by reading subtitles, and I think that they asked me, that how does it feel to have this success? And honestly, I mean, it's not just a dialogue or anything, but I just feel that I genuinely had so much fun making the film. We had so much fun on set that for me, the film in my mind was already a hit because I enjoyed making it. So I think the success later is just an added bonus for me. I think I'm happy that the film eventually did well, but I think it's all because we had so much fun making the film. We laughed so much. The energy was so good on set. We had producers who supported us. Vamsi, my best friend now. My second film with them, Trivikrams. Insider jokes. Trivikram sir, thank you so much. I mean, I think you wrote something that even during Corona, in these dark times, and people were going through a lot of tough times, and I had people calling me saying that, oh my God, the film is so good. I just had so much fun. I laughed so much. And when you do that, I think it's another level of high, I would say, because we just feel like, okay, we managed to make people laugh. And thank you to Netflix, Sun TV for making that possible. And David Warner. But yeah, Buttabamma, now people call me Buttabamma, so I think it's really, it's a very big compliment for me. Yeah, I think that's amazing. And this film wouldn't be anything without Allu Arjun, of course, because I don't think anyone else could do this role. I don't think anybody can do it better. And that's it. The film is there because of him and, of course, of Trivikram sir, who's written such fun sequences that today myself, I watch it and I just marvel at how did they manage to create this. I still can't get over the album of this film with Samajavara Gavana and Buttabamma. I listen to it every day. I'm not gonna lie to you. I listen to it every day. We have so much fun. Even non-Telugu people in my staff have learned the song by now. So I went to Italy and my driver was enjoying the song by the end of it. So I think it's, you wanted a 1 billion album and Buttabamma has reached 500. So I think we are heading to Buttabamma just being a 1 billion song. So I think that's credit to Taman and a very, very big compliment. So thank you to everyone.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. అండ్ పూజ గారు 1 సెకండ్. మరొకసారి సినీ ప్రముఖుల్ని స్టేజ్ మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. సుశాంత్ గారిని స్టేజ్ మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. సముద్రకని గారిని రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అల్లు అరవింద్ గారిని డాన్స్ మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఎస్ఎస్ తమన్ గారిని డాన్స్ మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ సునీల్ గారిని అండ్ అలాగే నవదీప్ గారిని కూడా డాన్స్ మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను.